Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet.
Oh my god. He's a little sick. What's going on, little buddy?
This person did a study to see how accurate our eye and foot placement is when walking.
I see this math and I'm just like, bro, like, I struggle to fucking like make myself meals, you know, like and to fix myself a diet in the fucking like schedule. And I see this. The fuck?
The muzzle blast from this gun is deflecting the rain from falling on it.
Oh, this is cool. Wow, what the fuck? Oh, he doesn't want the toy.
A photographer placed a mirror in the Amazon rainforest to see the reactions from animals.
Oh, this is so interesting. I'm so curious.
These people
Oh,
created the ultimate table for table tennis nerds. It shows you every little stat you would want to know about improving your game.
god damn. Table tennis is like such a sport that is
This
like
rhino charged at this car.
table tennis is like such a sport that looks like nothing, and it's actually like so fucking broken and fun at the same time. Like these people like are just like fucking mental about it, but at the same time it looks as simple. It looks as simple. Table tennis. What could go wrong? You know? Like, and then you see what the fuck they can do, and you're like, oh,
But luckily,
anyway.
nobody got hurt.
Oh, merda. Não, não, stay. Stay firm, stay first.
This person created a way to travel with your cats without putting them in a pet carrier. It's pretty much just a straitjacket, but it doesn't seem to bother them too much.
Aww.
This is what a reindeer migration looks like in Sweden. This is what it looks like when you add food coloring and a dissolving tablet into a water blob in space.
Damn.
That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
That was good.